So I know, you guys, I'm a little late on my BoxyCharm. This is August BoxyCharm. I was sick, still a little sick, so I didn't want to really come on here. So this is my BoxyCharm for last month. I know, you guys, I'm late. But it was late and then I got sick. So I'm just gonna read off the items that I got in my BoxyCharm. So we got Too Faced concealer, which runs for $30. And I got the color Chestnut. And then I got this palette. And this is the palette that I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna be using my BoxyCharm for my look today. Live. And that retails for $36. It's stick from Clearing. Really pretty. This retails for $26. Then we got some brushes from my favorite, Morphe. They're all crazy, but 4 set. This retails for $12. And then we have a Rockin' Cosmetic Big Liner, and this retails for $25. So that's everything I got. I'm gonna be using that, plus obviously other stuff. And we're gonna get into this look. Hey you, yeah you. I said you, yeah you. Back to another video. So if you like this look that I did from BoxyCharm, honey, then I'm gonna need you to stay tuned. I'm gonna need you to watch. I'm gonna need you to like, I'm gonna need you to comment, and I'm gonna need you to subscribe, because we're only going up from here. And these lashes, these are Nubian Luxury Lash, which is my lash company. And if you guys want lashes, these are luxury that I got on. And make sure you guys, let's get into this video.
Now payback is a bad chick, and baby, I'm the baddest. Stop playing with a savage. Can't have this, can't have this. And it'd be nice of me to take it easy on ya, but nah. Baby, I'm sorry. Baby, I'm sorry.
So I'm gonna put Benefit Pore Primer on my pores, on my problem areas. I'm gonna put a lot. I'm not going to rub it in like a lotion, but I'm gonna let it sit on top of my pores. So now I begin my eyebrows off camera, and then I'm going to get the angle brush from Morphe out of the box, and I'm gonna get the Too Faced in Chestnut, and I'm gonna clean up under my eyebrow. Now that I cleaned up my eyebrows, I'm gonna use that same concealer and prime my eyes. Now I'm gonna set my eyes with the powder and put it all over my lids. Now I'm gonna find a very flat brush and go in with the light brown as my transitional color on my lid. So a flat brush in the pat motion, pat, pat, pat. Not left and right, not swizzle, swizzle up and down, but pat, pat, pat. With that same brush, I'm gonna get the darker brown and go underneath in the same tapping motion. Then I'm gonna get a blending brush with a light finger and I'm going to blend out the edges so they're not harsh. That same blending brush, I'm gonna go in with the light and put it on top just to give it a more natural look. So now I'm gonna cut my crease with a white Morphe concealer. I just got a concealer brush to outline the crease that I wanted. Now I'm going in with the James Charles palette with his white just to set my eyes. Be going in with the purple on my outer corner on the lid, and I'm gonna be getting a flat brush and tapping it on as well. Now at the front of my eyelid, I'm gonna go with the rose gold color. It's a glitter as well, and I'm gonna pack that on. Now I'm going to get Fenty foundation in the shade 430, and I'm going to put it on and bring it down to my neck. Now I'm going to get the L'Oreal and I'm going to highlight under my eyes, my smile lines, and at the top of my forehead and on the bottom. I'm going to get my contour palette, and on the outside of my nose with the darker color, I'm going to shade that out so you know I can have a pretty little dancy nose. And this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching this video. So I probably won't use the palette. Really didn't like the way it gave off. The liner was good. The lip, I like that. The brushes, obviously, love Morphe. So that was my review on the BoxyCharm for August. You guys, this is August, not September. I'm gonna make sure I put that in the description so you guys know. And make sure you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe, and join the gang, because we only going up. We only going up from here, y'all. So until next time, bye guys.